Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this beautiful 5 minutes makeup look. This is more of my everyday go-to sort of a makeup look. It's beginners friendly, it's so quick and easy. It just takes me 5 to 7 minutes to do the entire look. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's go. I'm gonna start off with my hair because I get a lot of questions regarding how I set my hair and what exactly I do. So first I'm gonna start off with the BBlunt Hotshot Heat Protection Hair Mist, and if you are someone who likes to use heating tools or if you straighten your hair, then a heat protectant is a must. So I'm just gonna apply it and spread it out evenly all across my hair so that the products get distributed evenly. I'm just gonna wait for a minute or two and then I will move on to the hair straightening brush. Here I'm using the BBlunt Pro Insta Smooth Hair Straightening Brush. It comes with Ionic technology and ceramic coated brushes. It's very easy and quick for everyday use. Whenever I'm heading out and I am in a hurry, I just use it to straighten my hair and I'm good to go. It comes with 4 adjustable temperature settings from 160 to 220 degrees centigrade. You can choose the right temperature for your hair. Also, every time you buy from BBlunt, they will link your order to a woman they're gonna empower along with Summer Foundation through their BBlunt Shine Academy. They are on a mission to empower 10,000 women across the nation. Next, to deal with the flyaways, I'm gonna use the BBlunt Hotshot Hold Spray. It provides you long-lasting hold. It just ensures that your hairdo stays intact, it doesn't leave any residue and your hair don't feel heavy. And this is also alcohol free, so it's good for your hair. Lastly, I'm going to use the BBlunt Hotshot Finish Spray. It delivers radiant and salon-like glossy hair at home. It's sulfate and alcohol free. It just gives you that instant shine that looks so beautiful. These are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa as well as on the BBlunt's own website. And if you use my coupon code on their website, you will get extra 20% off. Before moving on to the makeup, just make sure that you prep your skin really well, and for that I'm using a good hydrating moisturizer. Not necessarily what I'm using, you have to use this one. You can use whatever you have, followed by a good sunscreen. Next, I'm filling in the gaps of my brows so that my brows look nice and structured. Now I'm gonna use a concealer which is very close to my skin tone, and I'm just gonna hide my dark circles, my acne scars and pigmentation with it. And I'm just gonna blend everything out with the help of a beauty sponge. To set the concealer in place, I'm going to use a loose translucent powder so that it doesn't move or budge throughout the day or my face doesn't look oily or greasy. Next, I'm going to use my all-time favorite Creme blush to give some color to my cheeks. Make sure to set it with a little bit of loose powder if you have extremely oily skin. I forgot to include the clip here. And here, with the help of a little bit of loose powder, I'm just gonna cut my contour so that my face looks nice and structured. Moving on to the lips, I either use a tinted lip balm or a lip tint or a liquid lipstick. And to finish off the entire look, I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara only on my top lashes. And yup, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. All of the product details and links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.
Pas de soleil,